In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an audio file to Roblox and make it public. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up the Roblox website and click on Create in the top navigation. Now select Creations in the left-hand side, click on Development Items, and click on Audio. Now scroll down and click on Upload Asset, click on the Upload button to start uploading your MP3 file, and now just locate your sound file that you want to upload to Roblox. So mine's this one here. I'm going to double click on it to upload it, and you'll also need to give this a name and a description. Once you're finished, we can click on Upload. Now once you've uploaded your audio track, we can scroll down to the bottom and click on it like so. And then you can scroll down and you'll see Get Approval to Distribute, and you can click on Submit for review. Now as long as you've already verified your identification on Roblox, you can scroll down and agree to all of the terms and conditions and click on Submit. Now you need to ensure that this audio track belongs to you and is completely royalty free. And if it does meet all of these requirements, just click on View Audio Assets. And after a couple of working days, your soundtrack will be available on the public Roblox store. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.